birds.
Treehouse.
The what?
Le caban. It means treehouse in French. Hey, who are you?
Hello. My name is Oscar. I live at the end of the road. I saw the old bird and I followed it. And it led me over here.
Why do
and...
you have binoculars? To spy on us?
Oh no. It's just to observe the birds. There's a really cute troglodyte in front.
A what?
A cute troglodyte. A very small bird, but sings loudly. You want to see?
Oh, yeah. A trogo? A troglodyte? Ugh, ridiculous. I can't see because there's nothing there. Oh, I see it. He is so cute. It looks like he has eyebrows.
You guys have an awesome treehouse. It's a great observation post.
Yeah, but you can't stay here. The set will be here soon to read us a story.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I didn't want to disturb you.
Hey, what's up, everyone? Oh, hello. Are you Tiago's friend?
No, he's Oscar. He came to our treehouse to watch the birds through the window. Also, he's a total expert on birds.
Fanny, you forgot to take your sweater again. Someday you'll forget your head. Nice to meet you, Oscar.
I see you really like birds too.
Oh, great. Are you reading today? Awesome. So, you like to read?
Yeah, of course I do. Well, if you guys want me to.
Oh, yeah! All right, then.
The birds. Some days are different.
So then, Mr. Expert, do you know the names of all of these birds?
Well, of course I do. There. This is the red cardinal. And that's the woodcock. The bird that only sings when she is in love. She goes pit pit quack. And of course the laughing seagull.
Who goes choo-loo-loo-loo,
Oh, I know which one that is. The polka dot bird that goes like this. Cheep, cheep, queek, queek. And he is the gigantic canary.
You guys are a bunch of funny aves.
That's also a bird?
Of course not. Okay, let's keep reading. One would almost say that this day was the same as the one before. This day did, however, have a little something more than the other days. Nothing big, just a little change. Something minuscule. Most of the time, we don't even notice these little miracles, because the little miracles aren't made to be noticed. They are made to be discovered.
A lot for a little miracle.
And when we give ourselves time to look for them, the small miracles appear. Here or there, minuscule. treasures. There are no greater treasures in life than these little miracles. Only one of these small miracles has the power to change the moment and your life. Only one of these small miracles is enough to change the world.
Is that why you have binoculars, Oscar? So that you don't miss the small miracles?
Yeah, because of the binoculars, I was able to spot the troglodyte on the tree. I wouldn't have followed it, and I would have never come into your treehouse.
Without your binoculars, we probably would never have met. By the way, I haven't properly introduced myself. I'm Lucette.
Delighted, Lisette.
This is my big sister. We both live in the house at the end of the garden.
And you? Where do you live?
I'm Tiago. I live in France, but I sometimes come see my friends whenever I'm on vacation.
Delighted, Tiago.
Me too, Oscar. Will you visit us again?
Yeah, if you invite me.
Well, no. You don't need an invitation.
She's right. You can come whenever you want now.
What is it?
A starling or a goldfinch.
A starling or a goldfinch? Can we check?
Let's have a look. The starling is black and white, while the goldfinch has a variety of colors. You see it?
After you, it's my turn. Right, Oscar?